geometry, originating from ancient Greek West, meaning earth measurement, is the branch of mathematics concerned with the properties, relationship, and measurements of points, lines, angle, surface, and solid truths, traced back to ancient civilizations, Egyptians, and Babylonians, who used geometric principles for practical purpose than survey and constructions. The formalizations of geometry as a mathematical discipline is credited to the ancient Greeks, particularly Euclid, whose work defined geometry for centuries. Over time, geometry has evolved through contributions from Islamic mathematicians during the Middle Age. As for example, when we look at a building, the shapes and structures we see are all part of geometry. The subject is not just about drawing, it also involves solving problems and understanding how different shapes related to each other. In geometry, we learn about different types of shapes like triangles, circles, and squares, and how to measure their areas and perimeters.
History Mines Resort Golf Club. The Mines Resort and Golf Club is a proprietary club beneficially owned by Mines Excellence Golf Resort Berhad and operated by Mines Golf Management MSTN BHD Malaysia. A land blessed with abundant natural resources, became the world's largest producer of tin in the early 20th century. Fetching lucrative prices, the precious mineral was mined extensively and excavation gave birth to the nation's progressive development in its infancy. Uniting both miracle of the man and nature, a unique transformation of the world's largest open-cast tin mine was set in motion in 1990. The cessation of mining in 1982 transfigured a land once rich in precious mineral into a wonder that is a manifestation of aesthetic beauty and the splendor of nature. The Mine Resort and Golf Club, a masterpiece of environmental restoration and constructive re-engineering. The site was transformed from a land hostile to nature and the sustainment of life to a terrain brimming with a plethora of flora and fauna. Construction commenced in 1993 and the course was left to mature for a year with maintenance of the highest standards. It was officially opened for play in 1994. Dato' Azman has decided to resign from his job and plans to open a golf club. He is determined to purchase a plot of land near his residence. Subsequently, Dato' Azman purchased a plot of land at Mines Resort and Golf Club in Selangor. He discovered that the area does not provide a training ground for beginners. Therefore, Dato' Azman plans to improve the facility by replacing 1/4 of the existing grass with new grass to create a training area. Dato' Azman conducted a survey of several shops and found a suitable type of grass carpet priced at Rm 700 for 30 square meters. The total land area is 245 acres. With 18 existing golf holes, the area of the lake is given as 150 acres. Standard golf hole diameter equals to 0.1795 meter. Question 1. How many grass carpets will Dato' Azman need to cover the training area?
Okay, so first of all, since that Dato' Azman wanted to build an old golf club, so of course they have provided a golf hole. So first we have to calculate the area of the golf hole first. So they have given us the diameter, which is 0.1795 meter. This is the standard golf hole diameter. So with that information, we can find the area of the golf hole by using circle formula pi r square. So we insert the information and we got the area is 0.28196 meters square. This is area for one golf hole. So since that Dato' Azman wanted to use 1/4 area in the golf club, so we have to calculate the golf hole too. So we have to multiply it by 1/4. So at the information we got that they provided 18 golf holes. So yeah, just 1/4 multiplied with 18 and we got 4.5, but we round up it and we take it as 5. So since we have known the number of holes, so we can multiply it with the area. So the total area for the golf hole is 1.4098 meters square. Okay, so we have done the area of the golf hole. So will proceed to the area of the training area. So at the question, we got the total land area 245 acres and also the lake area. So we have to find the remaining area and we multiply it with 1/4 since the Dato' Azman only needed 1/4 to use as the training area. So 1/4 we multiply with 245 minus 150 and we got 23.75 acres. So we exchange it into meter to easiest us to calculate. And don't forget to minus the area of the golf hole. So we got the final answer is 9,611.4297 meters square. So lastly, we have to calculate the number of grass carpet. So we simplify it as X. So at the question, they provide us 700 ringgit is equal to 300 meters square of the grass carpet. So we have to know how many grass carpet that Dato' Azman need to cover all of the training area. So 300 meters square we multiply with X and equal to the training area. So X we got 320 and 3714. So we simplify it, we got 321 pieces.
For question 2, how much will it cost Dato' Azman?
Okay, so for the second question, they ask how many costs that Dato' Azman have to pay, right? So we've known that Dato' Azman need 321 pieces of grass carpet. So we just have to multiply it with the price, which is 700 ringgit. And the total cost that Dato' Azman have to pay is 224,700 ringgit. So that is the final answer for question 2.
History of boba tea. The history of boba tea, also known as bubble tea, dates back to the 1980s in Taiwan. This popular beverage combines tea with milk, fruit flavors, or other ingredients and typically served with chewed tapioca, pearls, or other toppings. Here's a brief overview of its origins and evolution.
Global spread. 1990s expansion in Asia. Boba tea quickly gained popularity across Taiwan and neighboring countries, including China, Japan, and Southeast Asia. Variation with different flavors, topping, and texture emerged, such as fruit jellies, pudding, and popping boba. 2010s worldwide popularity. With the rise of social media, boba tea became a global phenomenon, celebrated for its unique flavors, textures, and Instagram-worthy appearance. Chains like Gongcha, Chai Time, Tea Life, and Tiger Sugar helped standardize and popularize the drink worldwide.
Modern innovations. Today, boba tea continues to evolve with innovation in flavors, toppings, and presentation. Popular variants include cheese foam tea, tea topped with a creamy cheese foam, brown sugar boba milk, milk-based drinks sweetened with caramelized brown sugar, fruit teas, refreshing teas infused with fresh fruits and popping boba, DIY kits, boba tea kits for making the drink at home.
Situation: Farah is enjoying boba water given a cup of water containing boba. A boba has a diameter of 1 cm. The circumference of the straw is 6.55 cm. The maximum capacity of the cup is 500 ml. The question is: A. Does the boba fit through the straw? Prove it. B. The volume of water in the cup is 450 ml. How many boba can be put in the cup without overflowing?
Does the boba fit to the straw? Prove it. Yes, the boba fit to the straw, and how we can prove it is by comparing the radius of the straw and the boba. Based on the statement, we have the straw circumference value. To find the radius, we need to convert the value into the formula, and we got the radius of the straw, which is 0.6 cm. For the second question, we need to know how many boba can be put in the cup without overflowing. As we know, the maximum capacity of the cup is 500 ml and it's already filled with milk tea for about 450 ml, which we have another 50 ml to fit the boba in the cup. To find the right measurement of the boba, we need to find the volume of one boba, which we got 0.5237 cm3. Then divide the volume of the one boba with 50 ml to find the exact amount of the boba that need to be added in the cup, which is 96 boba. That's all from me.
The application of geometry in the first case, we use circle and quadrilateral. So it is easier the architecture to calculate the cost and length of area. The application of geometry in the second case is circle and measure. The seller can find the right size drink packaging supplies.
That's all from us.
Thank you!